that first target, and I mentioned MCK, McKesson Corp, a company of the Medical Distribution Center. A snap of this secondary trend line would provide objective short trade entry, and that's exactly what happened. We snapped it, put it in beautiful divergent high, negative and bearish divergences continuing to construct really on all three indicators, and that's the move we got. Hit that first target to that, down to that secondary trend line here, and that was good for a 4% drop there. And especially if you're an active and/or day trader, you could have taken this quick little day scalp right at this secondary trend line and guided it right up to that 50-day moving average resistance for a 4% scalp to the upside. Great stuff. And my second target is still on a snap of this primary trend line. Would still be another 8% drop down to that 282.22 price support. That would also put in a secondary sell signal, especially a solid red daily candle close. If we take this trend line out, especially if we go to even retest it. I believe if we go to even retest it, we'll probably snap it. But as far as long and or bull traders, this is exactly where they should have bought, where they wanted to buy, and you want to see a recovery back above the secondary trend line here, and start to see a little bit more reaction and continue that uptrend and burn out these divergences, completely burn off these negative divergences, get crossovers in the opposite direction, and anything's possible, anything could happen. So we'll see how it plays out. I believe at least a move back up another 2% or so would provide an additional objective short trade entry and or a dollar cost average your short contracts up to that key level, the bottom of that trend line, and we'll see if we get that next move down. But a snap of this primary secondary trend line will provide a sell signal, in my opinion, and more than likely take us down to these next moves here. Especially I really love a magnetized move right back to this primary trend line here off the COVID crash lows, with plenty of continuous reactionary lows to help validate that, which would coincide with the 258.43 price support with the 200-day moving average sneaking up and hovering amongst that level. So this is your big level here, big level. Once that goes, that's a big sell signal, in my opinion, and we could see some pretty volatile extreme moves to the downside. So again, we've because of these moves, just these moves right out the gate, you've put in ever steeper, more divergences here on the RSI, MACD, and oscillator, with crossovers both now on both momentum indicators now on a retest and potential retest of its zero line. If we start to snap those zero lines and take out that previous low, we'll put in a sell signal here on this secondary downtrend, and it'll be a pretty sizable move, in my opinion. So we'll see how it pans out. Keep you updated if I see any more significant moves in MCK, and hit that like, subscribe button on your way out.